In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out in Asana. Even though logging out sounds simple, it's an important habit, especially if you're using a shared computer, a public device, or you just want to keep your work accounts organized and secure. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for on the screen. First, make sure you're already signed into your Asana account and you can see your usual workspace or project view. This might be a list of tasks, a project board, or your inbox. It doesn't really matter which page you're on as long as you're in the main Asana interface. Now look toward the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you should see your profile area. Depending on your account, this might appear as your profile photo, your initials inside a small circle, or a generic user icon. This is your profile icon and it's the key to accessing your account options. Move your mouse to that profile icon and click it. When you do, a small drop-down menu will appear. This menu typically includes options related to your account, such as your profile settings, notifications, and other preferences. What we're interested in here is the option to sign out of your account. In the drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Logout. It's usually located toward the bottom of that list, clearly labeled so you can find it quickly. Take a moment to make sure you're clicking the correct option, especially if there are other similar items in the menu. Once you've found it, go ahead and click Logout. After you click, Asana will start the sign out process. In most cases, you'll see the page refresh and you'll be redirected to the Asana login screen. This is the page where you would normally enter your email and password or choose a sign-in method if you wanted to log back in. At this point, you're fully logged out of your Asana account on that browser. If you're on a shared or public computer, it's a good idea to close the browser tab or window as well, just to add an extra layer of privacy. And remember, if you use Asana on multiple devices, you'll need to repeat this process on each one to make sure you're properly signed out everywhere.